Shares of LinkedIn rallied on Friday. Trader Andrew Keen, president of KeenOnTheMarket.com, joins us. Andrew, does this stock have more room to run?
I think it does have more room to run. Very, very interesting. The difference between the stories of LinkedIn and Facebook. Facebook momentum is to the downside. Facebook keeps making 52-week lows, and LinkedIn's moving higher. We saw great earnings on Thursday after the bell. When I was watching it trade, it spiked up. It was trading around 93, 97, 98. And then on Friday morning, when I woke up in the morning, it was trading around this 103, 104. The momentum continued all day long. It closed at the high of the day, 108.5 on Friday. I think the momentum can get it up to this 120 level. LinkedIn can move higher with Facebook moving lower.
Andrew, I'm going to hold your feet to the fire. Would you buy this stock outright at the current level, no options play involved?
That's always a difficult one because this is a high beta name. So this is one that's going to move a lot. I wouldn't rationalize buying it here. If we saw a pullback maybe to this, if I wanted to get aggressively long at around this 105 level, which is about 3.5 points lower. If I wanted to be a little less aggressive, maybe get it long at 101. I was long into earnings. I took off my position. I don't want to add to positions here. I don't want to add to longs here. The stock market at this 1400 level, can the momentum continue? Yes, it can continue. But with Facebook looking very, very weak, I think LinkedIn could move higher, but I'd rather buy it on a dip than go into a long position right here.
What could be a trigger that could bring that stock down?
There's many triggers. If you look at the PE is unbelievable. Their price per sales is actually twice the price of Facebook. Their price per sales is around 17, and Facebook's is actually about an 8. So I think if Facebook continues lower, LinkedIn might be a little lower as well. If the stock market gets hit as all, this is one of these high growth, high PE, very volatile beta name stock. This is very similar to a Chipotle, a Priceline, a Lululemon. These are growth stories. I think they are doing everything right on the cylinder of the mobile search engine that Facebook isn't doing. They're doing very, very well. They just came out with an app on the iPad, and they're expecting huge mobile growth in 2013. But if the market gets hit at all off this 1400 level, LinkedIn's one that's going to get hit the hardest.
Good to have you on the show today. Andrew Keen, president of KeenOnTheMarket.com.
Thank you, Angie.